What's going on, guys? I decided to make a quick video. This just came in the mail. This is the Zippered Admin Pouch, or ZAP, from Enamel Pie and Amazon. Bought this last week, came in today. Just threw some stuff on there, just kind of give an idea of what it is. And if you couldn't tell already, this is a sleeve for your notebook, specifically these little ringed riteintherains. Yeah, it's just a plus-up kind of, I guess I don't know if the word capability is the word that you should use, but I guess, yeah, to plus up the capability of what's with your little notepad. I mean, this is definitely something cool for dudes in the military. Like this, you're always expected to have pen and paper. And, if you're wearing a uniform, this is something real easy to throw into your cargo pocket. I have no actual experience with it in a field environment, but I can say that, it looks handy. So let's see what I threw in there. Just kind of giving you an idea of the size and what you could throw in there. It's a pocket organizer. I like these little golf pencils. I've always kept them with notebooks, and it fits in the elastic just fine. Little North American Rescue Sharpie. Obviously the notebook. And, those of you who don't, for whatever reason, like riteintherain, these indestructible field books. I have a couple of these, and they fit in there. The only problem is it kind of bows a little, so it's definitely not designed for this, but it will work if need be. And then just some stuff I threw on there. Threw a little, pocket light, so you can actually write something in the dark. Little IR flag. Little V-light strobe. I think it's a Chinese copy, but it's a red light. A lighter, those of you who smoke, I probably wouldn't put a pack of cigarettes in here. You'd probably crush it, but you do you. Mini chem lights. I got a ton of these. Little Catadin water tablets. I've been kind of stuffing these into everything. So, but yeah, to kind of give an idea of the size. Here's an IR flag, and width-wise, it's basically the same size. Height-wise, it's a little longer, It's definitely something, it won't add that much bulk if you were already carrying a notebook. And obviously that bulk's going to depend on what you stuff in here. But yeah, this is something I think would be great to kind of, if you wanted to throw a little like survival kit, you could probably stuff a signal mirror in here, lighter, maybe some tinder, keep that with your notebook, or hell, you could just use notebook paper as tinder. But I don't know, it's cool. No one really makes stuff like this. I think the only company that kind of addresses pocket organization lately is going to be Expedition, and they've kind of been the only company that I see that makes stuff. Could be wrong. This is kind of one of those things that I didn't think I needed, but I figured I'd try it out. It'd be great for map tools too. You get a bunch of these little mini colored Sharpies. You can totally just throw in a folded map in there, throw out your notebook, take notes, if you're an RTO or something. And then just have, whatever little field training aids you need. But yeah, simple stuff, man. It goes in your pocket. I don't know what else you want me to say. Anyways, just figured I did a quick video on this since it came in. Kind of bring some awareness to this. I'm sure some guys want to carry admin tools, but they don't have admin pouches on their kit. Yeah, this is kind of a good way of doing it. You just kind of stuff this in your pocket. You don't have to dedicate an entire pouch, real estate on your chest rig or your plate carrier to carrying your notebook, and it's still with you. It's probably be with you over anything else, which is good because you should always have pen and paper. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Take it easy.